Hello Internet, Yuka here. It's finally 2018 and I hope to release the demo soon of NECKEN and I'm really looking forward to it. I haven't put out as many videos as I normally do, and I think the reason is that I don't know, I struggle with sleep right now, and I struggle with getting the hours in, and like I go to bed at 8 in the morning, so there's something going on, and I'm not sure why. I think it's stress, and or like a combination of stress and that I'm working from home, as in it is hard to work from home because when you go to a normal job, you need to be there at a certain time. Otherwise, your boss will be mad at you. But I don't have that in the same way because I don't have a tight schedule or like a working schedule, like a specific working hours, and that means that I can play video games till 8 in the morning and I don't get tired. So I haven't really had the energy to make videos, and I think that is something I should look into because, well, it's not that I want to fix this to make videos, but since this has become an issue, maybe I should look into it. That's more what I want to do here. And so far, the game is going great, or as great as an unpublished game can be. I'm polishing a lot of stuff and polishing the menus, the interface, the characters, adding some basic animations and things like that, and just spending some time polishing up the worst parts of the game. So just giving the UI some love and things like that, because, well, I think the biggest struggle for new players will be to understand how the combat and health system works. I mean, the combat is not advanced, but it's odd, and the health system is not advanced, it's just odd. And I think that's the big concern. And I don't want a big tutorial part explaining in detail, like, oh, this is exactly how it works, and holding your hand throughout the whole process. I kind of want to show the player, like, well, these are the buttons on your keyboard that you need to use. Go nuts. Is that the lighting reflecting in my glasses? Looks like I'm... Oh no, maybe not. But at the same time, I don't want the player to be like, well, I don't get this shit. Next game, please. And I need to find a good balance there, and that is hard as well. And yeah, so I'm just polishing the game. I said that the game was going to be released, the demo was going to be released in January. I hate to pronounce that word, January, first month of the year. And I'm still planning on doing that, but right now I'm pretty much waiting on the music, and I have some audio that I need to remake as well. Otherwise, I'm pretty much good to go. And in the meantime, I just keep on polishing the bad stuff, like fixing ugly sprites and stuff like that. So I remade the player completely, and I made a couple of player characters, and I just picked one that I liked, and I'm sticking with that one for now. And remade a couple of enemies as well. Pretty much remade the pixel skeleton for humans. So everything that is human based in terms of shape have been remade. Just forgot about one. Now I realized, well, need to fix that one as well. But just remaking the shape, and by remaking the shape I also discovered that, well, the previous ones were ugly as fuck, so remade them, and now I'm pretty satisfied with the result. There's been an improvement, and I mean the player character is, I think it's like 4 years old by now, so it was time to just remake that. Maybe 3 years, I don't know. I also shared on Reddit my all the time that I put in, and I made a chart, a pie chart, just showing how much percentage of each category I actually put in during these last 10 or 11 months, and that was fun. I did it for fun, and it was fun, and the purpose was to just, well, show my distribution of time. Like, since I'm doing everything, here's the exact amount of everything that I've been doing. And got a lot of comments about like different things, mostly about the marketing, and slowly turned into something really useful for me as well. I mean, I've known for a long time that my marketing skills is not very like on point, and I don't do a lot of marketing, but I didn't really realize how much marketing I actually did, and or how little I did. And I just think that by increasing the amount of marketing in terms of hours, I will probably see some results. And I can't remember the exact number right now, but I'll probably put it like, here's a good spot, I think. But I just need more marketing, and in terms of hours, and by doing more marketing hours, I also plan to like increase in skill, since it's not one of my main skills. I kind of just decide not to do it, but that's not the good thing, because I really need to market more. I mean, well, if you want the game to be seen, you need people to know about it, and I haven't done a really good job doing that. And by just showing this post on Reddit or this picture, I got these comments like, well, dude, where's your marketing? And I'm trying to shift focus a bit. I mean, I know it's a bit late. I should have done this half a year ago, probably, but I still need more marketing, and I don't think that it's too late. It is late, but it's not too late. And so I need to figure out how to do more marketing. And right now I'm only concerned about the amount of hours, so a bigger slice of the pie for these next couple of months. God. And my big issue with marketing is that I don't know what to do. Like, let's say that you're sitting down by the desk and you're like, well, I'm going to spend 1 hour doing marketing, right? So what do? I have no idea, and that's my big problem right now. It's like, well, okay, so new goal, at least 1 hour of marketing each day. Like, yeah, cool, fine. And then you sit down and it's like, well, what am I supposed to do? I spend 1 hour just remaking a lot of old graphics for Twitter, IndieDB, GameJolt, Itch, website, and things like that. But then what? I don't know. I don't know what to do. 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 I don't know what to Okay, so okay, next day and new hour. What do you do? Like, well, I could send a tweet. I was like, well, sending a tweet is like 5 minutes tops, and that includes recording I don't know, a GIF or taking a picture or whatever, and also Photoshop. And it's like, well, okay, 55 more minutes. What do I do? Like, I don't know, and that's kind of what I need to look into right now. So, like, okay, so if I'm going to spend 1 hour marketing each day, what can I do? Because sending out a tweet or a couple of tweets is not going to do it. It's not going to make a big difference. And I just don't know how much of that marketing time that people usually put in is creating content for marketing and actually doing other things like writing articles, I don't know, talking to people, yeah, I don't know. So I probably need to spend some time just reading more about actually doing marketing, since well, I really suck balls at marketing my game, marketing myself, marketing everything that has to do with the stuff I want to do. And since well, I was about to say that I'm a game developer first, but marketing is kind of a big part of being an indie game developer, apparently. But I usually focus on design and programming because that's what I want to do. But that doesn't help. I mean, if no one knows about my game, it doesn't matter if I refactored this whole system and made this new design on paper. That won't make a difference. So yeah, just reading up on the marketing things and actually doing marketing as well. And yeah, so trying to get my sleep back to like a normal human being state where I actually sleep normal hours and normal amount of hours as well. I mean, that's a priority, yeah. And also more marketing. And after just, well, I just told you everything, so I don't need to repeat it. So more marketing as well, and focus on that for a bit, and getting the music in place, remaking the audio, and polishing up just a bit more, polish. There's still a lot of features in the game that I want to add. There's a lot of features that I want to remake because they're not working as I want them to, and make the game more accessible in terms of like some tutorial bits and some help, or just remaking the UI enough so that new players actually know what the hell is going on the screen. That's my focus for this month, I think, and it's gonna be hard, super hard, because I don't get tired, so I don't go to sleep. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I will see you again next time. Goodbye.